Hey, you are watching Zing's Natural Nails. Welcome, I'm Zing, and I'm going to show you how I created this holographic silver and black nail look because, well, why not? Let's go. Okay, so I'm starting off with bare natural nails and I'm going to add my base coat. So I'm making sure that I put base coat over the whole nail, not leaving any part out, and wrapping the edge of my nail with the base coat. Now I know people usually use one base coat, but I always use two because I'm extra, but really one will do. Okay, so once you're done with your base coat, you're going to use your black nail polish to paint all of your nails. So with dark colors, it's best to take your time because if you rush it, you could smudge it and make a hot mess, and obviously you don't want that. So I usually start down the middle, then down the sides. So you're going to paint each nail and wrap the edge of the nail. This just helps the polish last longer, but if you're not bothered, then you don't have to wrap the nail, but I do. Okay, so this next step is optional. It's basically just adding a top coat over your black polish. You don't have to do this step. It's not going to change the look much, but I like to add it because it makes the polish really glossy. But you know what? It's not the end of the world if you skip this step, so go ahead and leave it out if you want to. Okay, so once your nails are completely dry, you're going to get some sellotape that you've previously cut because you're very organized, and stick it down at an angle at the left side and the right side of your nail. So the idea is to create a point at the top of your nail. So you're making a triangular shape. I don't think I'm describing that very well, so go ahead and look at what I'm doing and hopefully it's clear. Okay, so once all your tape is down, you're going to add your holographic silver nail polish. So when you're painting down your holographic nail polish, don't worry too much about being extra perfect or extra neat with your painting skills, because the sellotape will get rid of any smudging you do or overlapping you do. All you have to worry about is not flooding the cuticles, because if you do, then yeah, it will look a hot mess. But other than that, you're fine. Just worry about getting the holographic nail polish onto the nail. I decided to do 2 coats of the holographic polish because I thought it looked brighter and better. Once you're happy with the coverage of your polish, you're going to gently peel off the sellotape pieces you put down before. Take your time with this because you don't want to smudge anything. Great, so once that's done, you're on to the last step, which is to add a top coat. Now I'm using a quick drying top coat because it always dries nails much faster than regular top coats, and I am very impatient. I hate waiting for nail polish looks to dry. But if you're not as impatient as I am, go ahead and use any top coat. Just make sure you're generous with it because it will help your nail polish look last longer. And there you go, you are left with a holographic silver and black nail look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to like, comment and subscribe, no pressure. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at ZingsNaturalNails, where I post more of my nail looks. Bye!